Hey guys, have you ever heard that saying, go big or go home? Well, in this video, I want you to do both. I want you to go home and go big. Since everybody's quarantined, you don't have a whole lot of choice other than to be home, be quarantined with your family, but this is a great opportunity to learn and to go all in. So today, I'm gonna talk to you about 3 things that are gonna help you go all in and really change your life while you have this opportunity, being at home, being quarantined, and being stuck. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so this video is all about going big and going all in. Since you're at home, you may be unemployed, you may be looking for work, you may be considering even joining Amazon, but I guarantee you, you have probably some sort of passion that you could turn into revenue. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, I talk about how to take these passions and turn them into revenue through different outlets like Freelancer and all these other sites out there. So I'm gonna make this one quick, but we're gonna talk about it and what you should go all in on. So number 1 is going all in on your passion. And if you don't have a passion, then your passion needs to be finding your passion. But you gotta have a passion to go after. Anybody can monetize their passions. There's thousands of different topics, thousands of different what I call micro niches that they say the niches are in the riches. So if you focus on your passions, you focus on going all in on those and becoming the expert in that area, even with 6 months or 3 months or 90 days of just dedicated time and focus into that passion, whether it's writing or YouTubing or videos or podcasting, whatever that is, you can monetize a lot of different things. So I want you to go all in on your passions. Number 2, in order to monetize your passions, I want you to go all in on your relationships. A lot of people are also kept up at home. They're looking for things to do, looking for ways to find connection and community. So this is an opportunity to hop on Zoom calls, to network, to do all kinds of really great things that are gonna help you really build your business and build your passions and build something that can actually take you beyond this. When this quarantine is over, when we're past all of these things, you're gonna be able to take the passions that you've been accumulating and the knowledge and the skills you've been accumulating and turn that into revenue. And right now is a great time to go after that and go after those relationships. So I want you to dive in, invest in people, help as many people as you can along the process, and do it for free. Since you're quarantined anyway, you're probably gonna be getting some sort of pay from the government. You'll also probably get unemployment, whatever else is gonna be coming down your way. So you should have a little bit of time to float you and to be able to add value into other people's lives to help you increase your network, and they say your network is your net worth. So that's very important. And then the last one, which is also very important, is to go all in on your brand. If you don't have a brand, you might be doing a personal brand. If you're a coach or a consultant or something like that, it's time to build your website, start writing content, start focusing on what your tone of voice is gonna be, how your brand's gonna look. And if you need help with that, I have a $1 million brand assessment. Whether you're a solopreneur or own a bigger business, you can take that assessment. We'll get you the response back and give you an evaluation to help you bring brand clarity. I want you guys to go all in on your brand, whether it's your personal brand or your bigger brand, and just focus on creating the best brand that you've ever had, because when things turn around and these things stop happening, like the COVID and all these things stop happening, this is gonna be a great opportunity for you to shine and to show that what you were really, really made of. So a lot of people are retreating and running the other direction, laying off people, but I'm doing the opposite. I'm going all in on my business and my brand, and I'm not letting any financial crisis slow me down, stop me, get in my way. And if any clients that I have currently are afraid and they wanna back out and retreat, then we're probably not gonna be a good fit, because this is a great time to go all in, double down, and really make something and show the world what you're really made of. If you can thrive in an economy like this, you can thrive in any economy. It's very important that you go all in on yourself, you invest in yourself, you invest in the relationships around you, and you invest in your brand. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for tuning into all my videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. God bless, and as always, keep looking up.